Hello guys, it's Daniel here with M&D Tech Reviews. I told you we were going to get another unboxing to the series, so here we go. We got this laptop. It's an HP, purchased it from Costco for $550. Let's go ahead and open it. Just some few basic specs I'm going to hit you with. We've got 12 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of space, an i5 processor. I don't know what we're getting for a graphics card, but we will find out shortly. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna have to make some slits here. Right here. Okay. Go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and make Okay, so we open this box here, and so first thing we get, so here we get this nice little charger, I guess, that plugs into here. So I'm happy to see that we're getting a proper charger. So it looks like this just plugs into here. So nice charger. Now let's open the laptop itself. All right, now let's go ahead and take out the computer. First, we just have a little more warranty information, but we'll save that for later. Okay, so here we have it, the laptop itself. Let's go ahead and take these out. A little bit of on the heavier side. This is a 15.6-inch laptop, and it is on a really good budget. So yeah, let's go ahead. As you can see, we got some air vents on the bottom here. So yeah, opening this. So this looks like a really nice laptop. Let's go ahead and open up and look at it. But first, I would like to acknowledge all of the papers that came with it. These are some setup instructions here that show you how to use the touchscreen, and these are questions and answers about the product. Shout out to HP for including all this in their package. Okay, so now we're gonna open the laptop. It opens really nicely, actually. I don't even need to push anything up, and here we go. We got this nice little design. There's no actual buttons here, if you guys can see. Because we just have this, which is fine. This is an older laptop, I guess. Really nice keys here. They don't feel that bad at all. The screen is, everything here is really solid. I really do like that. So let's go ahead and figure out how to power this thing on. And okay, here we go. Let's power it on, and I'll get you some footage. We get a really nice backlit keyboard here that looks absolutely amazing in the dark. So my first impressions on this device were actually quite good. I really liked the design and the structure of the laptop. It was a pretty nice screen and pretty big. One bad side was the hull was a little large and the keys felt a little plasticky. Also, the trackpad I wasn't the biggest fan of that with the old-fashioned buttons, but the Core i5 10th gen should do just fine. See ya.